I have persuaded my friend here, Anita, to join me in the studio today to talk about Crumb quilt blocks. Now, I had a go at those with some very subtle colours, but I know you would approve of those colours.
Totally love them.
And they were very bright, but by the time I'd made the whole square, I actually found it a bit overpowering. So I decided to split my square with a plain fabric to make a half square triangle unit. But that gave me twice as many blocks, didn't it? So I managed to set it like this, which is traditional barn raising, which is log cabin setting.
And cut again. Now these bits I've cut off, there are some bits that are big enough for me to sew again. So I will keep those and make more crumbs with them. But there is your finished 10-inch block. You can use these for anything you would use a 10-inch block for.